Give me some directions to get to you. To get to you, ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection. I think about you. You're on my mind, on my mind, on my mind.
The squash blossom, the mindful mushroom,
2 squash blossoms, and a mindful mushroom.
So today I am in downtown San Diego and we are rating the best taco in the Gaslight. We're gonna go to a bunch of different places. Today we are at Lola's 55 and I got the squash blossom and the mushroom taco. We are rating it based on the volume. This is pretty good volume here. The tortilla, the flavor, the salsa, the flavor synergy, and the value. Okay, here we go. So the tortilla is staying together. Flavor synergy is very nice. We got some crunch, spice. I'm really digging, and then all together it's nice because the corn taco balances out the spice. Now let's try squash blossom. This one's very good. This one's flavor synergy is much better because there's a green sauce and a red sauce, and you still have the crunch and you have the nice taco outside. It gives a nice balance, a nice basic balance to the inside. So I'd say so far this one 8 out of 10, this one's 7 out of 10. Oh my gosh, this place is so cool. It's like super hipster. I don't know if I'm cool enough to be here, but I really like it. Here at Pokez, I'm trying their potato mushroom tofu taco. I really like the presentation, how they have it all rolled up for you. And actually, volume-wise, this is huge. This is, I can't imagine. This is like pretty much a burrito. So volume-wise, I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10 already. Let's see how it tastes. Pretty good. So it's not crazy flavor synergies like Lola's, but if you're hungry, you could pretty much just get 2 of these and it would be really solid. I mean, I like it also because it's a traditional taco with lettuce and pico de gallo and cheese on top, so that's really nice. Yeah, it's like a fucking burrito. And also it has a nice wrap that stays together so far, but it's so big that everything is falling out. So it's pretty decent. I like it. But I wouldn't say that it's anything special. So I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. Octopus Diablo with cheese. That sounds interesting. We are at Serrano's. I got 2 tacos. The seafood, which is scallop, shrimp, and octopus, and a veggie taco, which is looks like mushrooms, onions, and peppers. And here we go. Let's see how it is. It's a little tiny taco. I have a feeling it's gonna fall apart, but let's see.
That was nice. The white sauce on top, very clear. I like the outside taco shell part because it's warm. And a lot of taco places, they don't warm up the outside, but there's nothing better than like a warm taco outside. So I really enjoy that. There's no crazy sauces inside of this one. But let's try the other one. Ooh, look at that crispy. I love a good crispy. So I really taste the peppers, and there's like a lot of guacamole in this. And I also like the shell of these really is nice because I think they cooked it with the cheese on the outside, and I love a good like crispy, not super crispy crunchy because then the taco is gonna fall apart, but a nice little crispy outside. I would give both of them a 7 out of 10. The synergy is nice. There is a lot of guacamole on this.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah, girl, you always tend to drive me crazy. Looking at me with those eyes. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out.
Great. So here are the salsas. So I got nopal taco, which is cactus, which I've had cactus tacos before, but not here. So let's go to town and a mushroom taco. So let's see how it is. First I'm gonna try it plain. Here goes. I'm gonna try it on its own. I like how they do crispy here. They do a little crispy with the cheese, which is always, I'm on board with that.
Rejuvenated, ready to go. Yeah, a little bit.
This is giving Lola's a little run for their money. The cheese is very, they cooked it on the stove, which is just really nice. It has a kind of like cheese cracker situation feeling. You can taste the nopal on its own, which is really nice. It's like slimy, but in a good way. And you can also taste the sauce, which is really, really nice. And everything tastes super fresh. This is not, this is not out of a can, so I really, really like that. I'm gonna give this, I'll give this a 7 out of 10. This is really, really good. Oops. Oh, let's try this one, the mushroom one. Let's try it. So, the taco shell on this, it does kind of fall apart, so they get some points off for that. Mushroom is pretty much just sauteed mushrooms in the taco shell, so I'm gonna give that maybe like a 6 out of 10. Well, that was awesome. I went to Lola 55s, I went to Pokez, I went to Serrano's, and I finished at the taco stand. Lola's was the best, most complex flavors, interesting squash blossom tacos, just unbeatable. It was so, so good. Different sauces, but this was really good too at the taco stand. Really fresh ingredients. I think this is the best classic, the taco stand, and Lola's was the best fancy taco. So come to downtown San Diego and try all these places for yourself. And if you try a different taco place in San Diego that's even better than these, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Boppzworld. You totally rock.
Strawberry.
Wow.
That is a Neapolitan with cocoa nibbles. This is milk tea and sea salt caramel.
Wow.
That's coffee, red velvet, and that is a passion fruit.
Oh my god.
You guys will like these.
This is so special.
I wouldn't share these two with your friends. Those are my favorites.